everyone. I just wanted to show you the new junk journal I made yesterday. And I made it from a mistake that I made a long time ago, and I will explain. I'm almost done with my current junk journal. It's very full, very heavy, but I'm going to try to squeeze a few more pages out of it. And when I do, I will do a flip through of it. But I wanted a new one, and I went looking through covers I had made. I have a sort of a stash of things that I start and I think, I don't like that, and I just tuck it away. And I'm actually really glad I don't throw it away or anything. But anyway, this is a cereal box or packaging of some kind, cracker box, whatever it was. And one day I just decided to decorate it, and I painted, I stenciled, stenciled I guess would qualify, and then I decoupaged these butterflies on the front of it. And then for some reason, it's quite bright, but anyway, for some reason I punched holes here, and I would say it's about almost maybe 2 inches from the top. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and I don't know, for the life of me, I don't know why I did that. It didn't make any sense at all. Maybe I was thinking I would use ring binders, and I tried that yesterday, but they stuck out too much on the back, and I didn't like it at all. So yesterday I picked this up and thought, well, I'll just pretend they're not there, and I made punched holes on the bottom and the top, enough for 5 signatures. And then I made this a non-sew style journal, the usual variety of pages. And I made envelopes. And I decorate as I go along. So nothing's really decorated, just a variety of different types of pages. So yeah, that's the basic story. This, however, I want to share these. These are corner protectors, and I don't know if you've ever tried. Let me see if I pull them out. No, I don't have any near me, but metal corner protectors are really too thick for using on like a single layer of packaging. I've tried it before, and they're just too bulky, and they don't really fit well. But I believe it was Ronda without an H that did a tutorial on how to make these corner protectors, and I'll show you what they are. They're very easy, and they're really wonderful. You basically take a 2-inch square of cardstock, and then you, I don't know if you can see, oh yeah, you score diagonally from corner to corner. Then you cut out one of the triangles, and then they work really well. They fit over the corner of a thin, well, Trudy, you can do this. Yeah, they're really nice, and they're secure and tight and firm. And I added one more thing to her idea, and that was to take a little sort of divot out with a I think it's a 1/2 inch, maybe 1 inch circle punch. And I took that out. So I've done that on all 4 corners, and I really, really like that. And then I had a thing that I cut out from a magazine that said play. It was a little too wide for my current journal and even the cover of this, so I just cut up the letters and, put them on the front. I like to keep my covers flat because I have them squished together on bookshelves, and I don't want anything sticking out or getting torn up because they're, running in to each other. I've been also thinking about this, and I think what I can do, and I may do eventually, is using a needle, thread through the front and the back and gather these together. I can do it a variety of ways, I think. I could just do one across and tie a bow, or I can maybe bring them both together, have a dangle from there. But basically my point is, if you're disappointed in something, if you make something and you're disappointed in it and it just doesn't work for you right now, don't throw it away. Save it. I've actually made a number of journals from covers or insides that I didn't like initially, and instead of throwing it away, although I was tempted, I just put them away. And months, sometimes years, as was the case for this, I pull them out and make it work, actually do something fun with it. I'm sure this will get very full. I may end up taking some of these off, or I may take some of the pages out, and because they're non-sewn in, you can, that's an option. You can do that. And in which case, having these to sort of pull them together might be actually a really good thing. So, yeah, that's, and I wasn't sure what I wanted to use it for, and then it occurred to me this morning, really, it's what I do with all my journals, which is just play. And I don't know, the styles change, what I want to put in them change, but it's all play to me. So I just thought I would label this one play. And so that's what I've done. And I would say, if you're interested in these, definitely check out, I'm pretty sure it was Ronda with an H, but I'll double check on that and put it in the information below. But anyway, that's what I did yesterday afternoon. I'm quite pleased with it. So thanks very much. Bye-bye.